sees. He would trade the world around him just to keep her close to him. If she stumbles, he forgives her. If she strays, he'll take the blame. Turns his back on all he's known, if it means she'll call his name. Oh, love can be so blind, it can lift you up so high, but if she walks away, it leaves a fire that won't die. Yeah, yeah. When a man loves a woman, he will give his heart and soul. He would stand against the storm just to keep her safe and warm. Oh, he'd sacrifice it all, walk through fire, break the chains for the love he can't let go. No, his heart will never change.
If she cries, he feels the sorrow. If she smiles, his world is bright. Every dream he ever follows leads him back to her tonight.
She's the rhythm in his heartbeat, she's the voice inside his mind. And no matter where she wanders, he will love her for all time.
Oh, love can make you whole, but it cuts so deep inside. He'll keep holding on forever, even if it hurts his pride.
No, when a man loves a woman, he will give his heart and soul. He would stand against the storm just to keep her safe and warm. Oh, he'd sacrifice it all, walk through fire, break the chains for the love he can't let go. No, his heart will never change. Yeah.
Even if she turns away, even if she lets him fall, he will keep on loving her through it all, through it all. Yeah, yeah.
When a man loves a woman, he will never say goodbye. He will carry every memory like the stars up in the sky. Oh, he'd give up all he has, lose himself to keep her near. And even if she breaks his heart, his love will never disappear. Oh, I know just how it feels to give everything for love. Baby, you